Is your iPhone battery draining quickly, or does it unexpectedly turn off? It may be caused by a bad battery, and I'm going to show you how to replace it. To make sure the battery is the problem, go to Settings, scroll down and tap Battery. Look if you see something strange on the battery usage. If not, go to Battery Health. For this you'll need iOS 11.3 or higher. This battery is at 64% of its original capacity, which is very low, and that should be the reason for the battery to drain quickly. So to change the battery, turn the iPhone off. Get a new battery that fits your iPhone. This iPhone SE battery costed me about $17 and included these tools that I'll be using among others. We'll need this special screwdriver for the first two screws. So remove these two screws. Be sure to put them where you can find them and know which one is which. Put a suction cup close to the home button. Pull it up while using your prying tool to separate the back of the phone from the display. Work your way around the phone with the prying tool, but don't go near the top of the phone. Then you can lift up the display a bit and then disconnect the home button connector. You'll need tweezers with small tips. Use it to remove the small metal cover. Now use it to disconnect the home button. You can now open the display to 90 degrees, but not more. Undo these two screws and remove this metal cover. Disconnect the battery. Remove the old battery. And put in the new battery. Connect the cable. Put the metal cover back in and put the screws back. Connect the home button again. And put back the metal cover for it. Push down the screen against the rest of the phone. Put back the two screws on the bottom of the phone. There we have it, and let's start it up to see if it works. It does. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Please watch a few more videos and follow us on Instagram.